SAP Analytics Cloud or SAC is a software as a service platform or SaaS platform for SAP's business intelligence or BI specific. And SAP Analytics Cloud was developed to combine all analysis functions like ad hoc analysis, self-service, dashboarding and planning with one product for all the users. SAP provides this platform as a public cloud platform independent from other SAP tools. SAC is able to complete next to Power BI and Tableau. During the last few years, SAP has concentrated on introducing cloud solutions to its customers who, however, favor on-premise infrastructure. In order to satisfy clients' investments, will therefore continue for on-premise infrastructure like business object. As a result, SAP is aiming for a hybrid scenario, meaning there will be a combined use of on-premise and Oracle Cloud software. Graphomet extension in SAC Analytics Designer. Suppose SAP Analytics Cloud emerged from SAP Cloud for planning. Over time, BI functionalities such as data provision, reporting, dashboarding and visualization enrich core function planning. The Analytics Designer is available since 2018. Similar to Lumira Designer, the user can create interactive dashboards and applications. Event scripting via language similar to JavaScript is possible, which enables further actions and logics. An interface SDK enables the seamless integration of customer widgets like the Graphomet extensions. SAP Analytics Cloud is built natively on the SAP HANA Cloud Platform HCP and enables data analysts and decision makers to visualize, plan and make forecasts in a secure cloud-based environment. That distinguishes the SAC from other BI platforms. The data connection and preparation as well as their evaluation are now carried out in one tool. Jumping between different tools is no longer necessary. Access to the most important functions provided via a uniform and easy to use interface with a modern design. With the SAC, many diverse data sources can be connected. A rough discussion or distinction can be made between SAP and non-SAP sources and between cloud and on-premise sources. In addition, so-called live connections and import data sources must be distinguished. With the latter, data is replicated in the cloud, which is not necessary with the live connection. Please note that depending on the data source, a different feature set is available for processing in the SAC. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.